Welcome to the Video Editing Bootcamp. In this intensive course, we will dive deep into the world of video editing, focusing on 4 powerful software tools: Adobe Premiere Pro, Adobe After Effects, Filmora, and Davinci Resolve. Whether you're a beginner or an aspiring professional, this bootcamp will equip you with the skills and knowledge needed to bring your video projects to life. During this course, we will explore the fundamental concepts of video editing, covering everything from importing and organizing footage to advanced editing techniques. We'll also delve into the art of storytelling through video and discuss the importance of pacing, rhythm, and visual aesthetics. Our primary software tool will be Adobe Premiere Pro, a versatile and widely used editing software. You will learn how to navigate the interface, perform basic edits and transitions and effects, and polish your videos for a professional look. Additionally, we will explore Adobe After Effects, a powerful motion graphics and visual effects software. You'll discover how to create stunning title sequences, add dynamic animations, and enhance your videos with visual effects to make them truly captivating. Filmora will also be a part of our curriculum, offering a user-friendly interface and a range of creative features. You'll learn how to utilize Filmora's intuitive tools to edit videos efficiently, apply filters and overlays, and add music and sound effects to enhance the overall impact. Finally, we'll explore Davinci Resolve, a robust software known for its professional color grading capabilities. You'll discover how to balance colors, create unique looks, and achieve the desired mood and atmosphere in your videos. Throughout the bootcamp, you will engage in hands-on exercises and projects to apply the skills you learn. You'll receive personalized feedback and guidance from our experienced instructors, helping you refine your editing techniques and develop your own unique style. By the end of this video editing bootcamp, you will have a comprehensive understanding of these industry-leading software tools and be ready to tackle a wide range of video editing projects. Get ready to unleash your creativity, master the art of storytelling, and take your videos to the next level.